and today I am doing Mango and Me episode 3, which I know that I've been doing a lot of like what I'm wearing for school, but I'm gonna alter what Mango and Me is a little bit because I've noticed that I haven't been getting a lot of views, and quite frankly, it's getting a little boring, like more boring than I thought it would be. So I'm going to do still Mango and Me and do the episodes, except the episodes are gonna be stuff like what I'm about to do, and like I was thinking of doing the yoga challenge with one of my friends and just fun like vlogs and stuff like that, more than just what I'm wearing each week. So it'll be a lot more interesting. And today I am doing this sandwich board, which, as you may know, I am in my soon-to-be high school's cross-country team for the junior high team, and it's Bishop Guilfoyle cross country. And so for our home meets, my dad made this sandwich board that we just stand up, and it'll have like a course map and like details and times for the events and everything. So I'm just gonna be painting some typography onto it, and I figured I could video it and show you how I do it. I had several ideas that I actually did like in English class when I was really bored. So I had a bunch of different typography type things. And so I'm going to do this with like long letters and the arrow on both sides with this, since the school's colors are purple and gold, with these two colors. And a little while ago I made like just a random little thing, and so I'm kind of taking a little bit of inspiration from that, and I actually made up a uniform idea which isn't being used, but it was just fun, so I figured I'd show it. And it has like the arrow there, so I thought that was pretty cool. So I've already sketched the letters, but I'm just going to do like a sped up version of me now painting them and like what I'm gonna do with them. And the letters are going to be purple with the arrows gonna be gold outline. So let me just show you that. Okay guys, so I just finished doing the first coat of purple. I wasn't too pleased mainly with the arrow. I messed up, didn't look right, but I guess it's only the first coat, so whenever I do the yellow outline of it, I'll just fix it up a bit. Other than that, I'm pretty pleased. So now I think I'm just gonna get a blow dryer and dry it. So yeah. So I did the second coat, blow dried, fixed it up a bit, and then I did the yellow, and I tried to shorten the arrow a little bit with the yellow, and I think it turned out pretty good. I like it. So what else? I think that's it for episode 3. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe for a lot more interesting stuff coming at you soon. Bye.